What's going on, everybody? I want to welcome you to another property tour. Today we are in the Central Park neighborhood in Denver, Colorado. We are touring this beautiful mid-century modern property. This property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a little bit over 4,900 square feet. There is a lot to appreciate about this property for sure. Probably one of my favorite properties that I've ever toured, honestly. Where do we start? We'll start with the kitchen. Check out that island. It's massive. So we have quartz countertops on the island here. Custom cabinets. Five top burner. Have a dishwasher here as well. Microwave and oven. Have your pantry area in here as well. So we store the boxed water. Yes, sir. Flooring. Check out this flooring. Custom wood, looks like. Here you have your dining area. Check out that custom lighting right there. It's insane. Vaulted ceilings, can lighting all the way around. So this is a build from KB Home here in Central Park. Being listed at 1.5. Property taxes are north of $7,000. You do have a HOA. HOA is around $43 a month. You do have a pool, playground in this community. There's a lot to appreciate for sure. Check out this fireplace. Look at that tile work all the way up to the top. A lot of detail for sure. You also have a speaker. This is the spec model that is being sold right now from KB Home. Love those windows as well. You're gonna get a lot of natural light. So right now we're towards the end of May. A lot of that sunlight is coming in. It's around 12 o'clock right now, so it's coming in directly into the living room area. Yeah, this is insane. Beautiful property. Oh, check out this backsplash. I didn't even notice the backsplash on here. Wow, that's clean. It's really nice. Awesome. All right. So now, let's check out the master bedroom. Check out those windows. It's a very calm neighborhood here in Denver. We're only about 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Denver. It's been growing. This is an area that has been growing a lot recently. This is the master bathroom. You guys ready to check this out? Check out this tile on the floor. Check out your vanities. And check out this shower right here. Tile work all the way up to the top. You have some lighting in the shower as well. This is insane. This closet. This is like another bedroom in here. Nice baseboards. Look like 6-inch baseboards. Doors are about 12 feet. Feels like it. They're pretty tall though. I'm not sure. Not sure how tall they are, but they're pretty tall. So that was the master bedroom. Check out the detail here. Looks like wood on the railing. So here we're gonna have another bathroom with floating vanity. Still quartz countertops there. Soft closing cabinets. Have some tile work here as well. A lot of detail in this home. And we're gonna have 2 more bedrooms here. Nice size walk-in closet for the 2nd bedroom. And then we're gonna have a 3rd bedroom here to the left. Again, nice size walk-in closet. A lot of closet space with this build. Alright. Looks like it is a smart home. There you go. Alright, we'll make our way downstairs. This will probably be my hangout area where I'd be kicking it. Having some people over for sure. As you can see, this is crazy. Have another living room area down here. A lot of lighting. Got some speakers there on the ceiling as well. And the wet bar area, of course. Of course. I'd probably turn that into a poker table. That's just me. I don't play a lot of poker, but it would look cool. Alright, check this out. So there's 2,400 square feet down in the basement level, and there's still like another half of the basement that is not built out. So ton of potential down here. 24 square feet down below, 24 square feet up above. And here we're gonna have our 4th bedroom down in the basement level. Check out that wall. Love it. Alright, so this is going to wrap around. Gonna have a closet here to the left. The walk-in closet. And your walk-in shower. Again, tile work all the way up to the top. So there it is, guys. This is again a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom property by KB Home here in Denver, Colorado. Central Park area. If you have any questions about this property, oh, let's check out the patio area. Where we're gonna get our grill on. Check out these doors. Looks like 2 sliding doors. And we have a patio area out here as well. Grill. Give you guys another shot how it looks. You get a sense of the neighborhood. Patio area as well. Got some nice landscaping. Alright, there it is, guys. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, drop them in the box. Any feedback is much appreciated. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.